everyone, I'm back. I'm really late at starting the fall crafting, but here we are. Guess what we're making? It's something that went viral for a really short time. Excuse my clearing my throat. It went viral on YouTube, and a few of the people I've seen make them, not everyone. So it didn't last very long, but I really wanted to make one. It's that crow that you can make out of a 2x4 piece. I don't have a 2x4, but this works. This is gonna work. I'm making it my own. I'm not making it like the other creators. I got this great idea. I can't wait to try it. So we're going to sand this block, and we're going to paint everything black, including these sticks. I forged these from the Camplex Park by Gillette on the ground. None of them were taken off the tree, but there were plenty on the ground to forge, so I might need to forge more because I initially forged these for another project, and I just haven't even started that project yet. I'm going to someday. I know I will. But we're going to steal a few pieces from that and make this crow. And some crows have, like the other creators have put like a hat on the crow. That would look really cute. I haven't decided if I want to put a hat on the crow, but I might, because it's super cute. It's only going to be on the corner, though, of his head. It's not going to be all the way over the top of his head, because I don't want it taking up so much of the block. So, we're going to paint all this black, like I said, and then this piece, we're going to just cut crossways into like a triangle and make a beak. Some people draw the beaks on. I'm going to make the beak 3D. So I'm just using this thin piece of wood I found from the Dollar Tree. And by the way, you can totally make this from all Dollar Tree supplies if you don't really have much of any other stores, you want to make it cheap. This is just stuff from my stash. This is from Dollar Tree. This is from the ground. Very cheap. And this is just scrap wood I found outside in my shed. So you can find like pieces of wood though that are probably this thin or thinner at the Dollar Tree. Maybe even a little bit thicker. I don't know. I've never had much success in finding very much wood at the Dollar Tree, but that's just my Dollar Tree. So I'll see you back after I get all this painted black, and this is going to be cut, and then I'm going to be painting it orange for the beak. See you soon. Here we are. We got the board painted black, and we got the beak cut out. I used a wire, a metal cutter to cut out the wood. You could use a saw, but I used this, and it's a little curved, so that's why the top part of the beak is curved. It made it look really cute, I think. And I did make an indent in the wood with a drill and drill bit. It was a large drill bit I used. I just kind of did what I wanted with it. It wasn't like real neat. It was just kind of a curved hole in there, and it didn't go all the way through, as you can see. That's fine. I found this leaf bead. It's kind of a iridescent look to it, kind of an orangey color. I thought it would look good in there. It's kind of a size of a eye, or like a shape of an eye, I should say. And the beak's still drying, But to make the color for the beak, I used these two colors. It's dandelion yellow and candy apple, and I was a little heavier on the yellow because I wanted a really light orange. So the other, Lois is high, you can see her. She wants attention. But anyways, I also painted some sticks yellow because I want, not yellow, but you know, the yellow orange. I wanted crow feet for the bottom, which is also going to be the stand. Let me show you. They're still drying, so I don't want to touch them. But there you are. Excuse me. So there's 4 long ones and 2 short ones because I'm going to have the long ones be the brace that's supposed to hold the crow plaque up. So and I'm probably gonna need those Jenga blocks to add like extra support on the back. I will show you how I do it as we go. But I thought it would look super cute if the stand part looked like crow's feet. And so that's what I did. I have some congestion. Sorry about the clearing my throat. So we have this and the other sticks we got for the project. I did not paint black yet. I'm going to glue it down to the sides of the plaque, and it's supposed to be wings. It's going to be wings for the crow, and I'm going to put some on this side too, but I think I'm going to make them a little shorter to so it doesn't get on top of the beak. I don't really want the wings to go over the beak part. So I'm going to glue these down and then I'm going to lightly paint them black, just like a watery black, so that they're not completely covered. I don't want the paint as thick as the board. I think this is going to look really awesome. I'm really look forward to seeing the end of it, the result. Okay, look at him so far. He's so cute already. I love him. He's gonna be so cute. Even more so, we're going to add a hat to him, and I'm using a fuzzy sock. You can get those at Dollar Tree real easily. They work perfect for hats. We're going to make a rim right like that. I'm waiting for my hot glue to heat up, and we're going to just put it on the corner of his head on the side. I'm going to tilt my camera real quick so you can see what I'm doing. Put it on the corner of him just like that. Look at that. And then we're going to cut off the top and make a little cute frilly thing on the top. I don't know what you call them. Just something that kind of sticks up. And he's not going to have a very big hat. It's not going to be very long. You can make it long, but I don't know. I want mine to be a little short, I think. And look at this pine cone. I found this with the sticks. It can go like right there. Sorry, my camera needs tilted again. So go right there or right there. I was thinking of putting some sort of bow somewhere, but I'm not sure where. Maybe make a bow to go on his hat and then put the pine cone on top. That might look really cute. But and the hat almost sticks on the wood already because it's so, like, the fabric catches on the wood. That looks nice. And then I was thinking of putting a scarf over the his wings a little bit, kind of around his neck. Okay. I stuck the glue right underneath the lip of the brim of the hat, and then I cut up this part right here. I stuck a little rubber band that you can't hardly see on it, so it looks sewed, I guess. But yeah, I just cut this up with the scissors. It's super easy. Look at him. He's turning out so cute. I love it. I got little hairs all over from the hot glue. Trying to get them off. Alright, so now I'm going to make the scarf from the same sock. I'll just use the other sock though, because I want it nice and long to go around him. And then I'm going to make the little fold that goes on the over it, like it looks, you know, tied together. And then we'll do the feet part. And we'll decorate his hat or in his scarf, one way or the other. I have to look in my stash and see what I have that we can put on there. Maybe I'll find something smaller than this. We'll see. I really like this pine cone though. It looked pretty cute on him. Just knowing where to put it is the question. I'm kind of picky about that. It's gonna look very rustic-y, and I'm okay with that. I like rustic. It's just me. I like rustic. I like nature. I like earth tones. We're almost done with him. He has the pine cone on, which you probably saw before, and I found some raffia to make a bow with. I just did a simple bow and glued that on underneath the pine cone. I think it looks really cute that way. I was gonna put this on there, this small fall ribbon, but I didn't think it matched really the other colors, and I really wanted it to just match. And I think the raffia matches and kind of fits with everything, the theme all together. Looks very rustic. That's my jam. So the next part is just putting his feet on. And I will try to show you how I did it. So, and I'm still kind of waiting for the paint to dry on the feet. I think I'll take a heat gun to it and get it all dried up, and I'm going to show you how I put the feet on.